As at today, according to the report being published by OCHA Nigeria, 230,000 people are being affected by the flood. There are records of deaths and destruction as well. The situation remains there for thousands of displaced persons by the devastating flood in Maiduguri. Families, children, women, persons with disability, and many others are still in search of shelter, food, and safety. The flood has left countless individuals in urgent needs of support and relief. We commend the effort of the state government as well as the federal government for their remarkable effort in providing immediate assistance to the affected communities through federal donations and settlements of victims in various temporary camps across the city. However, despite the great strides being made, there's still more to be done. The doors are still open for international donors, humanitarian organizations, and stakeholders to complement the ongoing effort and bring further relief to those in desperate needs. Your help can make a world of difference.
Muna ta wahala kwana mu shida. Muna da abuna muna tara kasa kamar karfe 8 dare wannan ya karye ya shiga. Ba mu dauka komai ba haka mun fita. Mun dawo kofar shehu kuma an kawo mu anan.
Allah ya rufa su.
Amin ya rabu.